Hello and welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another delicious recipe. From the Kerala cuisine, we'll be seeing how to prepare Velrika Pachadi. This is one of the recipes which is served during Sadhya. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients that we require would be 1 small size cucumber, 1 cup of thick curd, 3/4 to 1 cup of freshly grated coconut, half teaspoon of mustard seed, half teaspoon of cumin seed, 2 to 3 green chilli finely chopped, 1 to 2 tablespoon of coconut oil, half teaspoon of mustard seed, few curry leaf, 2 to 3 dried chilli, and finally salt as per taste. Firstly, to begin with, peel the outer skin of the cucumber and later chop them into equal half. Deseed this and later chop into medium sized cubes. For this recipe, we'll be taking 1 cup of chopped cucumber. Transfer the chopped cucumber into a pressure cooker and add half cup of water. Now close this with a lid and pressure cook this for about 1 to 2 whistles in low to medium flame. In the meantime, to prepare the ground masala paste, take a mixer jar and into that transfer the freshly grated coconut, mustard seed, cumin seed, green chilli and little water and grind this into a fine paste. Make sure not to add too much water while preparing the ground masala paste, as it can make your gravy watery. Once the pressure is down, open the pressure cooker lid and we can see that the cucumber is nicely cooked. Next, into this add the prepared ground masala paste and rinse the mixer jar with 1 cup of water and add that as well. Add salt as per taste and give everything a good mix and allow this mixture to cook for another 5 to 10 minutes in low to medium flame. In the meantime, take a mixing bowl and into that add the curd and whisk this well with the help of a whisker or fork until it is lump free. Now we can see that our gravy is nicely cooked. Now switch off the flame and into this add the whisked curd. Now give everything a good mix and your delicious gravy is ready. Next, take a tempering pan and into that add 1 to 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, mustard seed, curry leaf and few dried red chilli. Now transfer the prepared Velrika Pachadi into a serving bowl and into this add the prepared tempering and your delicious Velrika Pachadi is ready. This is excellent when had along with rice. So do try this recipe and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.